Hello guys. Okay, today in this video I want to show you how to delete Google Chrome's viruses. So if you install the mod files, the Google Chrome gets viruses. Chrome developer and Chrome battery and Chrome canary. So if you do that, so you need to go how to delete viruses. First of all, go to settings. I will show you these different types how to delete all of the viruses. Alright, so you go to settings, then you tap apps, then alright, scroll down to find Google Chrome. Alright, I find it. So when you do that, put for stop, then you go to storage, clean, and then you go on this. Then you go to manage storage. So you put on this, all of that. Oh, so there's no viruses. So you put OK. Oh, what? All right. Let's check again, because I don't think that's. Oh, so storage. Oh, so yes. Alright. So first you install McAfee. I don't know what does that say. So here you install this. Now I want to uninstall it, and I want to show you how to install that. Then we go on. Alright, so let's delete. So first of all, you go to Google Play Store. Google Play Store. Oops. Oh, why I'm going to settings. It might be my tablet slow down. So anyway, go to Google Play Store. Now search this to download that app. Here you press this here. You go here, this one. So you click install. Alright, we need to wait for this to install that. So before that install, I want to talk about the viruses when it gets. So do not download mod files on tablet or phone, because it might slow down. I don't know, and it might get viruses. Chrome. Oh, do not leave the viruses, because it might be slow down tablet or phones. So that's why I'm saying don't install mod files, because it's not good. It's not good for your APK, and do not do it on laptop and an iPad, because they are it's taking a long time to install it. So if it gets viruses, just delete Google Chrome or something, Google Chrome or Chrome Developer or Chrome Battery or Chrome Canary. Just uninstall it. You don't need to go and hit reset factory that. Alright. Oh, that's getting so long time. Oh, why? No. Oh, here it's installing now. It's nearly close to install. We wait for installing. My tablet is so new. Here. This is the... Oh, okay. So click open. Alright. No, there is 4 options to clean up this tablet. Alright. It's loading now, McAfee. Oh, so you press this one. Okay. Oh, it's... I think... Alright. Here. Okay. No, I don't need to go and sign in. I don't want it. So, you go on this one. Because some of the app will get viruses. So, press scan, press scan apps now. Alright? That's alright. Just wait. Let's scan again. Stop scan. Okay, let's scan again. Oh, what I do? Okay, let's scan again. So scan apps now. Oh, why it's... Yes, we need to wait. Yeah. Alright. So, it's installing because... Oh, okay. Here, I got these apps. Some of them got viruses. Just uninstall the app. Just uninstall. Alright. Oh, one. Alright, so I think... Alright. Alright, when it's finished the scanning, wait, it's scanning now. I don't need to do that. Alright. Or then the last one, you go to device care, then you scan. Oh. Now it's time. Alright, so wait, it's scanning now. When I talk, it starts scanning. Oh. I'm just kidding. Alright. I just stop recording because when it's finished, I will be back. Alright. Oh. Maybe it's more here. Maybe the app When Samsung Note Go Launcher Z. I don't know what does that mean. I know. Why I got so many apps? CCleaner. I think it's finished, guys. Maybe. Oh, just maybe one more. Maybe one more. Maybe. Just come on. Oh. Lots more. Oh, alright. So, guys, there is no viruses. So, alright. So, so 3 more options, because I think 3 more, just 3 more. Okay, I so promise. So, so Norton Cleaner. Alright, click it. So that one is a good one. Alright, press again. Alright. This, okay. So then we go on device care. No, I mean CCleaner. Alright, let's try it one more. Then we go on CCleaner app. Oh, alright. There is it. Alright. So, I forgot that. CCleaner. CCleaner. Alright, press it. Just. Oh wait, it's scanning the device. Just I need to wait here. Alright. Oh, there is it. Alright. So go on quick scan. Alright. Alright. Now press this. Alright. Click it. What? So click clean. Here. Chrome. Clean. Okay. Oh, it's okay. It's alright. So many apps to clean. Okay, again Google Chrome. Fast. I don't know what is that. Alright, Google Play Store. Netflix. X Recorder. Now I record with this. Norton Cleaner. Alright, that's done. Okay. Here is a, did you like using quick clean? And I want to say yes. Alright, so click this. Alright, click this. Alright. Alright, click. Alright, so maybe I'd. Oh, one more I forgot to show you. So go on device care. Right, it's clicking. Alright. First we start with memory. Press memory. Alright. Please clean now. Press clean now. Okay. Let's do that. One more memory. Okay. So now go on this here. Alright, now go here, scan tablet, because it's my tablet. Alright, he's scanning. I have so many apps. Oh wait, it stopped low. Maybe that's what. Oh. Device care. You can't uninstall or disable this app, because if you install, it might be your phone will be die. Alright. So just we wait for that scan. Oh, here I got talking Tom Bubble Shooter, learn Python, talking. Oh, I don't want to read. What? Oh, it's 51 now, percent. Okay. It's maybe I think it's go. Always. Okay, it's slow scanning. Oh, it's. Here. They so scanned. Maybe on next video, I wanna show you. Let me think. All right. How to actually no. Okay, when it's finished, yeah, I think I am thinking for one video. Maybe I can do. Oh, that one is a so good one. How to play apps. Play, for example, Angela Twims about that all apps, but that's all right. All right, so I on laptop. On next video, I will show you how to play games on laptop, because I think that's so hard. Oh, just come on. Maybe. Oh yeah. Maybe on 100. Why is slow scanning? Oh. Oh, there's more. I will just edit. Just wait. Alright. X recorder. Camera. Alright. Done. Here. Oh, yes! Alright, it's finished. Bye! Subscribe to my channel. Bye!